Hi my sugars and spices, a warm welcome to the channel. I have previously shared a video about bananas on the channel and would love to share this yummy banana recipe with you so that you can enjoy it with your loved ones. The recipe for the week is banana jelly. Side note: this dessert can help cool you down and can help to calm your body to prepare for a good sleep. You will need the following ingredients. They will also be listed in the description below. Let's get to the fun bit. Dissolve jelly in boiling water and allow to cool. Stir in the wine or red grape juice and milk. Mash bananas and blend with sugar. Fold mashed bananas into jelly as soon as the jelly begins to set. Pour into a mould which has been rinsed in cold water. Allow to set. Unmold and decorate with banana slices and cream. Enjoy, my darlings. If you would like me to share more recipes in the future, please like this video and subscribe for more.